Hey, what's good, hype beasts? Today we got another video for you. We're here at Spring Meadow Lake. Willie just pulled up, about to go meet up with him. Today we're gonna be using spoons to try to catch trout, maybe catch a couple bass. See you there.
Hey, hype beast. We just at Spring Meadow right now. We've already caught one each. I caught one bass. So did Logan. Oh no, he caught two actually. Oh yeah. He caught two. Yeah, it's looking pretty good right now. I mean, the bass are coming out, so that's nice. And yeah. I don't know if you guys can see me or not, but you guys can hear my serenading voice, I guess. Oh.
Do the online day on Friday.
Yeah. I already showed up to the online day.
What?
I will show up to the online day on Friday though.
That'd be so much better than Wednesday.
I know.
Oh, I have one.
You?
Yeah, no.
That was a hard hook though. That was one of those YouTube ones. I love food.
What?
I love food. I also love fast food too.
Fast food's one.
But I'm getting fat though. I'm not gonna lie. Going? Hey, hype. So Logan has one right now.
Yeah.
Hype beast. Nice little bass.
Little bucket mouth.
Bucket mouth. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, so yeah, we're moving spots. We just came from a little picnic. Yeah, we're moving spots.
I'm gonna head out back there,
Yeah.
see what's going on, see if there's any bass.
Yeah. Well, see you guys there.
Alright guys, we're rolling up to a new spot. We're gonna catch some bass, see what's going on. It's been a pretty good day today. William's caught one, I've caught 3. Blaine's not here. He had to watch his nephew, but it's all good. Alright, so we're here. We're gonna test out this spot for a minute. We'll see how it goes.
Got one.
Alright boys, what Willie's on? Back here after a couple casts. Oh, it came off.
Yeah, bear me.
That's tough.
Shoot. That's how you
Frick.
frick. Yeah, I barely hooked it. That's what I was reeling in, and
We'll get him next time.
that's okay because it just shows that this is getting the bass are hitting this. So right now we're just using a Blue Fox spinner. Yeah. So yeah, that's a good sign. guys, not a lot of luck at this spot right here. So right now we're just thinking about moving to the pier, see if it's good over there. See you guys there.
I don't know.
Look what we found. We found Aiden here. How's the fishing going?
Pretty good.
Have you caught anything so far?
Yeah, I've caught 2 bass.
Oh, nice.
For sure.
What are you using right now?
Using a drag and drop on a Nico rig, so I put a nail weight in
Okay.
the head of it.
Nice. We're just gonna. Hey guys, so we just got done fishing. Beginning of the day was pretty good, but as day went on, got slower. So kind of sucks, but at least we caught some bass, as you guys saw. Well, you saw his. So yeah.
Yep. I caught about 3 bass. Will caught 1.
Yeah, lost 1, so that sucked.
Yeah, we met up with our boy Aiden. He's pretty chill.
Yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that like button. So
Chauvin got convicted of 2 counts of murder.
we're trying to film an intro.
Yeah, he murdered.
Shop,
this is
Blaine.
Laddie, bro.
Hey guys, High Fishing here. So as you can see, we're just back at the lake here. Yes, sir. And guess who making a special guest appearance? This clown over here. Yeah, Blaine's here. Yeah. Second day. So we're gonna see if we get any more stuff. Alright guys, so right now I just got on a Sakoshi bug with a net rig. So yeah, we're gonna see how this does. Alright. Yeah, so far today, Blaine has caught in 3, right? Okay, anyways. Blaine has caught 3. Aiden over here. Say hi, Aiden.
Hello.
2. Alright. Oh yeah, 1 off cam.
Like half.
Facts. Dang. I played myself. Getting a bunch of weeds. Good cast. Yeah. Got one.
On for the camera. I think that's right there. Yes, sir.
What? Yeah, I got it. Everyone but Willie.
Yes, sir.
Really
good one, Tim.
That's really a lot out of here.
Show it to the camera.
sir. Nasty.
It's my turn in this spot. I'm just cutting 3 over here. So we're gonna see if we can get one.
I don't care. We're fishing at Spring Meadow.
Those shorts do that.
We are
Where we bought those? Remember when you bought those?
literally fishing at Spring Meadow.
We were playing Call of Duty. We got those. Those are terrible. I'm just saying. Those are ugly. Fabric? What is this? What is this graphic? It's not even an HD.
Shut up.
You ever heard of a washing
terrible.
machine?
I'm out of here. You guys are roasting me. I'm out of here.
I literally haven't even roasted you.
Nah, I'm outta here.
Let's get roast me every
I'm
day.
out of here.
Blaine roast
No,
me
we
every
gotta
day.
film the outro.
Nope, I'm out of here.
We gotta film the outro, Blaine. Come on.
Nope.
Don't be a sore loser.
That's alright. Alright, so we just.
What it do, guys?
What's going on?
What's
The end of the video here.
Hey, guys.
I got. Some of us
Caught
got
a
some bass.
monster stick over there. Holy crap. He caught a massive stick. Hold on.
Let's go, Aiden.
You can caught a massive stick over there. I think you can see it. I don't know.
You just keep that in.
It's taller than me.
That's not. That's.
How did I pull that in?
That's
I'm
fire.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
All right, guys. We just got finished with day 2 here. Me and Logan unfortunately didn't catch anything. How many of you catch, Blaine?
4.
Yeah, so
3 off cam. I got 1 on cam.
yeah, he had a good day. We did, unfortunately. Aiden caught some. Well,
Yeah,
he caught one on camera that we saw. There he is, walking in the background.
Yep.
There he is.
Alright, throwback. Day 1. I caught 3, 1 on cam. Will caught 1 and lost 1.
Yeah, the one I caught was off cam. You guys saw.
Little heartbreak.
Yeah.
Be like that.
So, yeah, fun day nonetheless. So, make sure you guys like.
Comment.
Subscribe.
Yeah,
And follow us on Instagram.
TikTok.
Right here.
Hype Fishing YouTube, TikTok.
Everything. Hype fishing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You'll find it.
See you later, Hype Beast.
Cut.
Alright, guys. Willie's on. Let's see what it is. It's a little perch, I guess.
Hey, Liz, we got one. Here it is.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. Finally.